guys. October 8th, 2025. I gotta go to one of the daycares early in the morning. Got a couple of sinks backing up over there. So I like to work over there when no one's around. Especially on something like this. I got two sinks backing up, back to back. So I think there might be a double TY in the wall, so it's gonna be hard to get the snake down. I might have to go up in the attic and snake down from the attic vent if there's even one. I'm not sure how it's piped off, but either way I gotta get that thing clear. So I'm going over there now, and it's like, you know, a little bit before 4 a.m. so I got some time. Whatever I gotta do over there, it's give me enough time to get it done before they open. I think they get there like 7 o'clock in the morning, so I gotta get it done early. That's the only thing that sucks about working over here, is you gotta go, you know, the best time to work over here when no one's around, obviously. So it's either after 5 at night or early morning. I had something going on last night. I wasn't around, and the guy's been flipping haunting me about this thing. I gotta get it done. Alright, we're definitely backing up here. So I got the, we're definitely backing up with both. So I found the line upstairs. I'll leave some water in there. I measured over. I found it where it goes upstairs. I measured over from the doorway and with a tape measure. I measured over this way, over to here. And then where I, you know, measured over. That should be right here, right where that toilet paper roll is. It's running up the wall, so that's six feet over from here. You know, and I gotta get my light and stuff, but I see it up there. I'll be able to disconnect the no hub fitting and run my snake down there. That's my hope anyway. That's it, that T that's going down right there. I have to disconnect this no hub TY. I should be able to snake right down there. That should be it right there. And there's the bathroom. The toilets. There's something else, but this should be it. When I measured it, that should be it right there. Oh, I gotta disconnect all that. There, so I gotta cut a little bit. I'm gonna get that. I'm gonna get that loose. I should be able to disconnect this. Might have to put new rubbers in there. I'm not sure yet. I've got new gaskets if I gotta put them. Just fucking rip them. We're in. We're if you can even see. It's kind of hard to see. Get my snake down in there and I think I got it. We'll go down and we'll go down a little bit more with it. Go down and see if that water went down. Should have. I'll come back up here and put this back together. I think that did it. Definitely going down now. Eureka. Definitely going down now, so see any leaks here, so must be. I had to measure over where I was upstairs and snake it. I'm just gonna put it back together upstairs and we're good to go. Alright, so I just gotta pull my snake out and I got a new clamp. I need a new rubber here. This worked out good actually. Locating it was the only issue. I'm gonna measure with a tape measure, so you know exactly where you are on the wall without, like I said, there's no sellable of this thing. It's all a slab. There's only one little area under the kitchen that has a one little area under the kitchen that has a basement. Ooh. We got there here. That might be from the my last job. That might be from my last job, Mama. I should be able to put this rubber on here and roll it. Easy. 4 inch is easier to roll than a 2 inch, but you can roll the 2 inch. It can be done. Roll it. Once you put this in like this, roll this one too. See how you roll them? Like flipping rolling on the river here. I gotta get this sucker in there. Rolling on the river, Mama. Rolling, rolling on the river. That's it. Zip zap. He's a wicker. I always like to finish the rest by hand. Make sure it's tight, not leaking. Don't want any smell. That's it.